What if you dug in today and you think, I could fail? What if you had a failure? Well, what you want to think is failure is not an option. You have to tap into your potential. Nobody really understands your potential except you. A lot of people have faith in you, your parents, your friends, your grandfathers, your grandmothers. They have a lot of faith in you, but sometimes you don't tap into the untapped potential that you're capable of. So what if you don't tap into that potential? I remember when I first got into my construction business, and I was going to move. I grew up in a certain area, in a rural area of North Carolina, and I was going to move on the coast. And I had a couple people come and says, well, David, you're not from that area. What are you going to do? I said, well, I'm going to move down there. And he said, well, how are you going to find business? I said, well, they speak English. I said, I am not going to sit here and beat my brains out when sometimes there's a reward. I was willing to take that risk because I knew I had potential to possibly achieve in life, and I was not going to let anything stop me. So I took the risk and I moved down there, and that risk paid off for me big time. I ended up, before I ever left and come to Florida, I had 21 employees. I had a plumbing business, AC business, electrical business. I was doing general contracting work. Matter of fact, I had contractors hire me to finish up some of their jobs, their smaller jobs, because I already had all the licenses to do everything else. I was putting in septic tank, hardwood floors. I was doing all kinds of stuff. What I'm trying to tell you is when you get tapped into your potential, it's unlimited. It's unlimited what you're able to do. If you take that chance, if you take that risk, if you tap into that potential, if you go for it. Don't let anybody hold you back. Just imagine what you could be. There's no stopping you. What I hope you got out of this video today is tap into potential. You don't want to go through life of what if, I shoulda, woulda, coulda. What I want you to go is say, I took the risk, I took the chance, and I was successful. That's what you can do. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. And remember, we are going from ordinary to extraordinary.